For this exercise, we're stretching our soleus muscle. It's the muscle that inserts onto the Achilles and is quite deep in the calf. By getting an elevation, we're going to get ourselves to slightly lift the toes. Placing a weight on our thigh at a knee bend position, we're going to try to find that stretch. So if you don't feel the stretch in this position, what we want to do is make sure that we get more knee flexion, put pressure on the big toe, and feel something happen around here. Now again, elevating the heel, not letting it touch on the ground, is going to help us actually create tension. We're going to find that tension and simply hold. The isometric hold is going to stimulate our tendon to get stronger, thicker, and accept more load. This will also help us build strength in the soleus. After holding for 30, 45 seconds, even up to 2 minutes, we can also work on small repetitions. Finding our progression is going to be key. Just follow what's prescribed to you. In this case, a movement would be somewhat here, halfway up, coming back down, doing small movement patterns with the toes still planted on the elevation. Hope this helps and get stronger Achilles. Have a good one.